Hi, I'm Wanda K. Whitaker, a visionary artist and spiritual coach. This image was created by me to symbolize the many faces of humanity and the unique physical characteristics that make us appear separate and different from one another. This is an illusion and hinders us from a deeper knowing of our oneness. In our competitive society, we are always looking to find ways that pit one group against another, whether it's race and ethnicity, gender, customs and cultures, or religions and beliefs. As immigrants ventured to America in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, America became known as the smelting pot, where iron and carbon are melted together to create steel. Thus, the melting pot became the metaphor for America, demonstrating how different cultures can unify to become as strong as steel. Yet, there is some hypocrisy here, because it has denied the existence of non-European Americans in the pot. The ideal America is more of a smorgasbord, in which you are free to delight in everyone's culture. Through the sharing of culture, we can gain a better understanding of who we really are: one love, one heart, one energy. When we realize that we have two inheritances, one is a combination of physical and emotional qualities that comes from our genes and DNA of our ancestors, and the other is spiritual, a separating personality and a unifying consciousness that comes from a higher energy source. This source is unseen and made of light, often called the soul. Scientifically speaking, if you were to look underneath a microscope, you'd find cells that make up the body. Cells are made of molecules, molecules are made of atoms, and at the subatomic level are bosons and photons, the smallest particles of light. Making the connection that this core essence of energy is what binds us, we will live in a much more peaceful and harmonious world. The heart in the middle of the forehead is at the position of the pineal gland or third eye, where one can see beyond this illusionary reality. Also included are the four directions of the Lakota native tribe associated with specific colors: white for the north, for wisdom gained through winter stories; red for the east and enlightenment; yellow for the south and innocence; and black for the west and its power. Notice that the colors can represent the variation of human races. By being willing to go past our comfort zones and experience our different cultures, we will simply discover that love is what connects us all.